Arrive in style with this 2016 Toyota Camry XLE. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: convenience package, moonroof package, 6 speakers, MP3 decoder, radio, in-tune audio plus, air conditioning, automatic temperature control, rear window defroster, HomeLink universal transceiver and power driver seat. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.